Everybody, we're going to do a video this morning to show you how to install a shutter. When you receive your order, you'll have a thin, long box that the frame will be in, and then depending on how many panels you'll have additional boxes that the panels will be in. Okay, the first thing you want to do is lay your frame out. They're labeled top, bottom, left, and right. Lay them out according to how they're labeled. And then you have two steps in putting the frame together. Most frames, some will vary, will have what's called a Hoffman key, which lines up your frame. So go ahead and slide that together. It gets everything lined up for you. Okay, and then some frames will have a screw that goes in the corner to keep it tight. Do that to all four sides. Okay, once you get all four sides screwed together, put the frame in front of the window. The next step after you put your frame together is to unbox your panels. Okay, place your panels by the window you're going to install. Now we're ready to hang the frame. Okay, once you get your frame in place, make sure it's centered on the window where you'd like it located. And then we're going to tack it in place. I'm going to put a couple nails on the right side. Use our level to make sure the shutter's level across the top. Then put a couple of nails on the left side to hold it in place. Next step is to put our panels in simply by inserting into the frame and putting the hinge pins through the hinges. Okay, now that the panels are hung, we're going to do what's called racking the shutter. Okay, which is where you basically go through and make sure everything's lined up, put some nails in place, and then go around and finish the rest of the shutter. You can use screws instead of nails, whichever method you choose. Okay, if you have a shutter with a decorative insert, go ahead and snap those into each side, simply by putting in place and giving a gentle tap with your hand. Okay, all the hinges have adjustable slots on them. Once you're sure your panels are in place where you'd like them, go ahead and add a screw to the center hole to hold the panel in place. One screw per panel is fine. If you'd like your louvers a little tighter or looser, go ahead and adjust the tension screw as shown. Okay, and that's it, folks. There's your shutter completely installed. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.